If your child has chronic wet cough, what do you mean by chronic? Chronic means any cough which is more than 4 weeks, and wet is rusty cough or a chesty cough. If your child has chronic wet cough, there are 3 things that we want you to do. First, number 1, make sure you see a doctor, a pulmonologist, a pediatric pulmonologist if necessary. Number 2, get evaluated for the most commonest causes. And number 3, most importantly, do not let chronic cough be not untreated, because they can lead to a lot of clinical conditions called bronchiectasis. So do make sure you take care of chronic wet cough adequately, and do meet a pediatric pulmonologist ASAP. Thank you.